Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology news is solderable adhesive for reliable electronics assembly. The material targets applications requiring durable solder joints while simplifying EMS electronics manufacturing services production workflows and maintaining long-term reliability. Yankee launches next-generation solderable adhesives and 256 ED. As electronic systems are exposed to higher mechanical stress, vibration, and temperature variation, solder joint durability has become a critical concern. At the same time, manufacturers are seeking ways to reduce process complexity, cycle time, and material usage without compromising long-term reliability in high-performance applications. Yankee has introduced an 256 ED, a next-generation solderable adhesive designed to combine soldering and encapsulation into a single manufacturing step. The material is intended for electronics assemblies that require stronger interconnects and more efficient production workflows. The material functions by providing in situ encapsulation during the soldering process, reinforcing the solder joint as it forms. This integrated approach improves resistance to vibration, thermal cycling, and mechanical stress while removing the need for separate post-solder encapsulation or conformal coating steps. By merging these processes, the technology reduces the number of materials involved and lowers the risk of rework associated with multi-step assembly. The result is a simplified process flow that maintains joint integrity under demanding operating conditions. The key features of the solderable adhesive include reinforced solder joints through integrated encapsulation, removal of secondary encapsulant or coating steps, improved resistance to vibration and temperature changes, reduced manufacturing cycle time and process complexity, lower material usage and rework risk. The material is suited for applications where reliability and mechanical robustness are essential, including automotive electronics, industrial controls, and power electronics. By addressing both performance and process efficiency, the solderable adhesive highlights an approach to improving interconnect reliability while supporting more streamlined electronics manufacturing. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.